In this tutorial we will see how to correctly map the variables of the cyclic communication of the Camozzi device. As an example, we will map only the first two input variables and the first two output, among those available. These variables create the cyclic communication. As an example, taking the DRVI series product, as shown in the video. The description, meaning and operation of all the variables of the cyclic communication, have been reported in the manual, downloadable from the online catalog page. For the variables of the other devices, refer to the specific product manual.